Upper body workout, the 100-day journey, stage 8. It's begun. I'm going to show you the brand new edition. Every 10 days, we're stepping it up with a new edition. Let's get into it. This new exercise is going to be called chopsticks, and this is the reason why. We're working these lower abdominal workouts, getting it in, getting it done. You know what it's about. Similar to the scissor kicks, but we chopping it up a bit. So lift your legs up. Basically, we're just gonna roll into these maneuvers, getting them in and getting them done. Remember to engage the abs all the time. Very easy exercise, but remember we're coming off 7 stages, so once you get to that, you're gonna really feel that burn, really feel those lower abdominal hits. Everyone can do these. It's not about being, crazy into fitness. Anyone can do it. Everyone should do it. Get into it and try it out. Let me know what you think. We're gonna keep it going for the next 10 days. Add in the new edition, stage 8. Chopsticks.